Jump down. Just keep going. 2 times in each box. My butt is low. I'm pushing. Set up. Start right back in. Get the butt down. Use your core to rotate. Come on, guys. Take 2 breaths and go. Come on, Daniel. Come on, come on. Jump from the bottom. You gotta go down and go up. Daniel, next time I come over here, I want you to keep going. All right, guys, start going counterclockwise now. Push, push. Come on, come on. Go, 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 go. You know what I'm watching? I'm watching how low your butt gets. Go, Daniel. You're taking way too long. Come on, come on. Push, push, push. Move. That's right. I want to feel your sweat hit me. That means your rotation is strong. Go. So you at home, you got to push. No matter what's going on, go. No matter what's going on, you have to focus. You got to be in it. You got to say, you know what? I feel it, but I'm going to keep on pushing, guys. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Time. Shake it out. Grab some water for 30 seconds.